Minsan pa ibabangon ang aking inang bayan. Isang araw, si Pedro, nagtungo sa isang malayong lugar.
Saan? Be specific.
Sa lugar na kung saan tinitirahan ng pamilyang Tarukan. Tarukan nga naman. Kilala mo ba kung ano yung mga Tarukan?
Hindi.
Tarukan. Tarukan originated from a Greek word, taru, which means
Nikki.
Nikki Taru. So, one word lang din yun. Nikki Tarukan. Tignan mo siya. You know, these people are instinct.
Hi, mate. It's very cool going into the bushes.
Look at his face. It's gorgeous, isn't he? Gorgeous. You know that? Look at these sandals. It's ancient times.
Hi, mate. It's the first time we ever seen this creature so beautiful like this.
You know the movie Machete? This is it. You know? This is a documentary about... It's documentary about the origination of Tarukan family. Thank you.
Thank you. Ay, ano nangyari kay Juan?